A variety of assembly methods are available to design and manufacturing engineers, ranging from mechanical methods such as fasteners to tapes, welding, and adhesives. This video will demonstrate one of the key benefits of adhesives over traditional fasteners. Shown are 3 ABS lap shears. On the bottom, the 2 pieces of ABS are joined with 1 stainless steel bolt. On the top, the 2 pieces of ABS have been joined using a LOCTITE instant adhesive cured for 24 hours at room temperature. As a shear load is put on this assembly, you will see that on the top, the adhesive stresses out evenly and causes less flexing of the joint. On the bottom, the bolt concentrates the stress, and so you see a great deal of flexing and eventually failure of the ABS. This is how adhesives offer the unique benefit of even stress distribution over traditional fasteners, which translates to better aesthetics, reduced weight and complexity, and improved reliability.